Mama, can I watch your tablet for some time, please?
Okay, baby, but remember, only for 20 minutes, okay? I have FamiSafe to monitor Ishika's online activities, the ultimate parental control app that keeps your child safe online. By blocking inappropriate content, I can rest assured my child won't stumble upon harmful material. I can customize which websites and apps she can use, making sure it's safe. Oh no, Ishika, it's way past your limit.
Mama, for few more minutes, please.
Alright, few more minutes. But remember, FamiSafe help us in managing our time better. FamiSafe is your partner in creating a safe and healthy online environment for your child. It brings families together for quality time. Say no to cyberbullying with FamiSafe. You can share your ideas, experiences, and stories on how to prevent and deal with cyberbullying by participating in their latest campaign. For more details, check their Instagram page.